Investing in the stock market and crypto world is the new trend. It's also a passive income to become a future billionaire. So stay with us and know more about it. Hello future billionaires, welcome to Pennystock Lifestyle. The channel where you get stock inspiration, motivation and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. But before we delve into the topic, make sure you've subscribed and turn on the post notifications so you get notified each time we upload a new video. So let us dive in. So for those who are not aware of Experion Holdings Ltd, they are Canada's solution to craft cannabis supply and build a premium cannabis brands, including its sought-after and famous brand Citizen Stash. The company is pleased to report its first quarter financial results for the 3 months ended on the 28th of February 2021. Now let us look at the current status of Experion. Experion price currently is $2,792 with a 24-hour trading volume. Experion price is up by 0.5% in the last 24 hours. It has a flowing supply of 25.6 billion Experion coins and is trading at a 52-week low. Experion Holdings Ltd is the father company of Experion Biotechnologies Inc., a Health Canada licensed cultivator and processor of cannabis based in Mission, BC. Experion Holdings Ltd is invested in premium cannabis brands and products and is best recognized for its fast-growing adult-use premium brand Citizen Stash. The company's growth scheme incorporates a highly scalable aggregation and administration business model to drive revenues beyond its national sales arrangement. Experion markets on the TSX Venture Exchange as a Tier 1 issuer below the symbol EXP, on the OTC QB Venture under the symbol EXPFF, and the Frankfurt Stock Exchange under the symbol MB31. Now, let us look at the critical financial and corporate highlights Experion Holdings. The company had its first ever definite adjusted EBITDA quarter, posting $0.036 million for the quarter ended the 28th of February 2021, compared to a $0.305 million loss in the prior quarter, ending the 30th of November 2020, and a $0.866 million loss in the prior year quarter, ending the 29th of February 2020. Experion also achieved revenue growth for the 6th consecutive quarter. The gross revenue increased by 405% to $4.06 million in the quarter ended the 28th of February 2021, compared to $0.8 million in the prior year quarter, ending the 29th of February 2020. The gross revenue of $4.06 million in the quarter ended the 28th of February 2021 increased 53% over the previous quarter's revenue, ending the 30th of November 2020 of $2.65 million. The company treated and marketed 481,632 grams of premium dried flower through retail distribution in the quarter ended the 28th of February 2021. This is compared to 317,933 grams in the previous quarter ending the 30th of November 2020, an increase of 51%. Experion's average price per gram obtained of $8.35 in the quarter ended the 28th of February 2021 continues to be strong and reflect premium pricing in the Canadian market with a gain of excise tax $7.23 as compared to $8.64 and a net of excise tax $7.86 for the same 3-month period in 2020. It increased product SKUs from 8 to 13 with the Ontario cannabis stores, including the Citizen Stash edible gummy, launching in the face of widespread COVID lockdown propositions in Ontario. The company launched 2 new endeavors in the quarter ending the 28th of February 2021, Sunday Driver and Fruity Pebbles, FPOG, to the British Columbia Exchange. Experion is acknowledged as a top 20 supplier to the Ontario cannabis stores in cumulative sales and volume within 3 months of enrolling on the Ontario market. A well-positioned balance sheet with a total of $13.3 million in assets and a net working capital balance and current assets less current liabilities of $5.3 million. Now, let us look at the reconciliation of adjusted EBITDA in the company's management's discussion and analysis for the period ended the 28th of February 2021. The gross revenue increased from 405% to $4.06 million in the quarter ended the 28th of February 2021, compared to $0.804 million in the prior year quarter ending the 29th of February 2020. The gross revenue of $4.06 million in the quarter ended the 28th of February 2021, which increased 53% over the preceding quarter, topping the 30th of November 2020 with $2.65 million. In the quarter ending the 28th of February 2021, the company traded 481,632 grams of flour, which on its own signifies 57% of the total grams marketed for the entire fiscal year, ending the 30th of November 2020. The gross profit before fair value adjustments was $0.911 million, or 27% of net revenue, in the quarter ended the 28th of February 2021, compared to $0.024 million, or 3% of net income, in the prior year quarter ending the 29th of February 2020. The adjusted gross margin before fair value adjustments would have been 29%, excluding a small $0.072 million inventory write-down within sales costs for the quarter ended the 28th of February 2021. The company posted a net decline in the quarter ended the 28th of February 2021 of $0.089 million, equating to a net loss of $1.3 million in the prior year quarter ending the 29th of February 2020. The adjusted EBITDA increased $0.341 million in the quarter ended the 28th of February 2021 to a positive $0.036 million versus a $0.305 million loss in the prior quarter ending the 30th of November 2020. Positive EBITDA is enormous, and that revenue growth is impressive. At only about 100 million outstanding shares, it's also positioned to move. Realistically, this should be trading 20 cents higher than it currently is this morning, sitting at 30 cents as of the making of this video, and would be a great swing or more prolonged hold. According to WallInvestorscom, Experian PLC can be a profitable investment option. Experian PLC quote is equal to $38.68 on the 2nd of May 2021. Based on our forecasts, a long-term increase is expected. The EXPFF stock price prognosis for the 22nd of April 2016 is $63.215. With a 5-year investment, the revenue is expected to be around 63.43%. Your current $100 investment may be up to $163.43 in 2026. As of 2021, the 2nd of May, Sunday current price of EXPFF stock is $38.96, and the GovCapital data indicates that the asset price has been in an uptrend for the past year, or since its inception. Experian stock price has been showing a rising tendency, so we believe that similar market segments were viral in the given time frame. These predictions consider several variables, such as volume changes, price changes, market cycles, and similar stocks. According to the GovCapital prediction method, the future price of the Experian stock is predicted at $70.266009, or 80.354% after a year. This indicates that if you invested $100 now, your current investment might be worth $180.354 on 2022 2nd of May Monday. This indicates that this stock is suited as a new counting to your portfolio, as dealing in bullish markets is always a lot more manageable. The advanced investors, who have witnessed many market ups and downs, frequently view the market will even out over time. Experian PLC's stock price tendency to concentrate on an average value over time is called the mean reversion. However, historically, high market prices typically discourage investors that suppose in mean reversion to invest, while low prices are considered an opportunity to buy. You invest at your own risk and cannot blame anybody else, and no investment works without trouble. It might be that you're saving for your retirement, or looking to grow your finance, or wanting to discover more about the stock market. investing your money doesn't have to be a scary process. However, it does need planning. Be financially responsible, do some research of your own, consult a good financial investor or a financial advisor, and hope for luck to be on your side. So guys, that has been it for the day. We hope the video was informational and valuable. Hopefully you've gained some insight into Experian, its price and investment possibilities. Let us know in the comments below if you think Experian is a safe investment for you. Before signing out, don't forget to drop a like if you already haven't, and make sure to subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on the notifications for more compelling content. See you next time with a new video.